Good morning, class. Today I am starting chapter 1, that is computer networks. In this chapter, I am going to talk about these points, that is, what is the definition of computer network methods, LAN, networks, and network topologies, and the summary. So first we will define what is computer networking. It is an engineering discipline concerned with the communication between computer system and the device. Or you can define computer network is a set of computers or the device connected to each other with the ability to exchange data. Different network methods are local area network, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, Wide Area Network, and the wireless LANs and WANs. Let me discuss about the different type of network, that is local area network. If I want to establish my networking within a one building, such type of network we call it as a local area network. If I want to set up the network between the two cities, I would call it as a metropolitan area network. If I want to establish between countries, it will be called as wide area network, right? If suppose I want to only establish between my phone and my laptop, such type of network is called personal area network. Clear? Let us go and move. This is what it is defined here. It's depend upon the small geographical area. Now, what is topology? Topology means arrangement of computer in the network. If you have a 4-5 computer, you want to arrange it. In what style you can arrange? That arrangement is called topologies. But in a technical terms, how can I define? The physical topology of a network refers to the configurations of cables, computers and other peripherals. Now, here we have shown you certain diagrams of the topology. Bus topology, ring topology and star topology. Bus topology means all the computers are connected in the straight line. Ring topology means all the computers are connected in a ring formations. Star topology means I have a one device here and all the computers are connected like a star. Now we'll see if I want to establish a bus topology, how I can do it. You can see here I have a computers. How many computers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? This is my example of bus topology. All the computers are connected. Now this is called my cable and this point is called my terminations, right? And this is a perfect example of the LAN. It's an inexpensive and easy to install topology. Now this is another example. You can see here how many computers? 5 computers are connected. Again next 5 is connected. Fine. Now ring topologies. In the ring topologies, cables form closed ring or the loop with all the computers in the device arranged along the rings. Data travels from device to device around the entire ring in one direction. If I have to connect with this, I will move it like this. If I have to connect with this, I will have to move it like this. Primarily used for LAN but also used in the WAN also, that is wide area network. This is a perfect example of ring topology. You can see, right, all the computers are connected and our cable is formed like a ring or the circle. Star topology. What I said, one device I need, that is hub. If computers want to transmit some information to this computer, what is the first thing it has to do? First it has to transfer to this hub and from this hub it will goes to this. Similarly, if this computer want to transfer some information to this particular computer, what is the best way? This First it will go there, then it from here it will goes to here. So all the data transfer one computer to another passes through this hub. Clear? Now this is the see example, you can see properly. Now mesh topology means mix of some topologies. It can be either mix of bus or the star, or it can be either the mix of star or the ring. It can be anything. It is given here. Why we are going on opting the mesh topology? Just because of cost effectiveness. This is why we have to opt for mesh topology also. What are the advantages, disadvantages of the three of the network topologies? Now we'll see. I hope everyone have understood what is the topology I have explained to you. Ring, star and the bus topology, and at the end mesh topology. Now first is bus topology. All computers and devices connected to the central cables. What is the advantages? Easy to connect a computer or the peripheral to the linear bus. Require less cable length than the star topology. Disadvantages: entire network shuts down if there is a break in the main cable. Terminators are required at both the ends of the backbone cable. Difficult to identify the problem if the entire network shuts down. Now ring topology, as we have defined it, it's closed with the loop. Now advantages: data is quickly transferred without a bottleneck. The transmission of data is relatively simple as a packet travels in one direction only. And now what is a packet here? Means whenever our data transfer, it always transfer in the form of a packets. Data packet must pass through the every computer between the senders and the recipient. Therefore this make it slower. Now star topology, what we said, all the devices connected to the central device called hub. Easy to install in the wire, easy to detect faults and to remove paths. Disadvantage: require more cable length. You can visualize also. If the hub or the concentrator phase nodes attached are disabled. Now mesh topology, it is a mesh topology. Each computers are connected with each other by the separate. Disadvantages: require more cable than the other topology, complicated implementations. So by this I come to the end of this session, and this chapter is also over. By this I will also send notes also, and even one worksheets also. Bye for now.